In this video, I will talk about what you can do after my course. First of all, my course based on the trading system. In the trading system, we have three main factors. The first one is trading strategies and trading psychology, and the last one is risk management, also the highest one. My course also separates by 3 levels. Therefore, this course was suitable for all levels. Even you are the beginners or even you are the advanced levels. Therefore, after this course, in the highest level, you can get is understanding about the market cycle with the market structures, where the price will end and where you can entry into markets will be explained very detailed about this course. And the second thing, how to analyze multiple time frame exactly way by way, time frame by time frame, very detailed in the example and in the theory. And the third one, entry with 3 time frames with key level methods. In this one, I will explain to you about the confluent charges and unconfluent charges, very detailed. The next one is understanding about the big picture of the markets with key levels on the top-down strategies. And here also strategies most traders in the world using in the trading, also in the investing. And the next one, step by step, from the clean chart to the entry, stop loss, and take profit. I will explain to you in the advanced levels. And the last one, in the advanced levels, I will guide you how to control emotional and risk management in the markets with the key level strategies and supply demand and market structure combined together in the key level strategies. And we use key level strategy with multiple time frame can come into the perfect strategies you can use when you're trading with the profit funds or even in the investing. And in the intermediate levels, what you will learn in this part is the strongest candle patterns and price patterns you should use in the market. Just several strongest one. You no need to remember all the candle patterns or all the price patterns. You only need to use and remember some of the strongest candle and price patterns to combine with the market structure, multiple time frame and key level strategies to use when you're trading, and how to draw supply and demand exactly with the 5 case when the supply and demand appear on the market. And the third one, define strongest and the invalid supply and demand zone to avoid entry at the risky supply and demand on the market. And the next one, define the key level on the market to entry, take profit, stop loss, and trailing stop with the market cycle. You will learn where is the best place to entry, where is the best place to take profit, because you are understanding about the market cycle. And the last one in this part is a step by step to develop the trading career with the SOP and RPDCA process. Here is process normally using in the manufacturing, but I will guide you how to apply in the trading career. And the last one, if you are the beginner, no problem with this course. I will guide you all the forex definition. You can understand all the things related to the forex and even the finance markets. And you can understand to choose the most suitable trading style. Here is the most important one before you start your trading career. Because you choose the wrong trading style not suitable for your personality, it means that you can waste maybe from this 3.4 years to be successful in trading. That's also a both a mistake every trader got when they start trading career on the first time they start trading career. Therefore, this course really can help you to save time to be successful in the trading and choose the main time frame suitable for you and also suitable for your trading style. And the next one is a 3 ways to develop your trading career in the finance markets. I will guide you how to develop one by one. And the next one is understanding learning curve to be successful. You will know how many times you need in each phase in the learning curve. And the last one is step by step to analyze the markets. I will guide you like the school, like you are in the school, to help you understanding and help you apply right after this course. And one more thing I want to say about my course. At this time, My course was created on November 15 on 2021, and this course is a 9-hour course, 9-hour sharing course. And you can download all the documents about my course right into the browser. And this course also can have more than 10 trading examples, and every example right into the theory to help you fully understand about my course. And the quiz also on the last of each section like this. And every question in the quiz also the most important thing you need to remember after the section. In this course also have the final examination you can see here, and in this examination have more than 27 questions to help you fully understand about my course. To check again, how did you understand about my course before coming into the backtesting, before coming into the practicing and demo call, to make sure that you completely understand about my course. And of course, I will support for you 5 months free in the Q&A part, and you learn right into the Udemy platform. Very easy to understand and very easy to practice. And here is final examination if you already finished my course. And some of the questions here also very important. For example, at this time, you also can select randomly like this. After finish the final examination, you can see here is results. You need 85% exactly answer to pass my course. And if you're wrong, it means that you're still not understanding about my course. You can text to me in the Q&A part, or you can relearn about all the lesson over here and reading again about my document. You can review again the questions right in this page, and I will explain to you why this answer is exactly and other one is not exactly, to help you learning again, practicing right after the course to fully understand this course completely. And that is all about the videos. Thank you and hope to see you in the course. You can read again about my course and enroll on the description and the button on the below. Thank you.